Alright guys, so we're going to inspect this bottom track here, and for roller, try to find a bad one, okay? Now we can take our bar, put it behind each one of them, try to move them all we want, okay? We're not going to find a bad roller like that. Are you thinking, really? I know what you're thinking. Look, with the biter centered, everything fell on the ground down there. Take you just like a 2-foot bar. Take that bar, tap on that track. I'm not hitting the frame, okay? All right, let's find that bad roller. It's over here. I was looking for my light. I found it. We're gonna find that bad roller. Okay. Check them again. Just this is the back one. Okay. This is the back one. Find this roller. We're gonna find that roller. Don't tell anybody I showed you this. That's not him. That's him. Okay. Check the other side. And I can guarantee every roller on this side is good. Won't be a problem. Try that sometime.